So, hello mga idol. In this video ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba natin i-contact yung GCash customer support via call, no? Gamit yung TM at saka Globe SIM natin for free. Okay, so alam naman natin na kapag kinokontak natin sila via chat or via email, umaabot pa ng ilang araw or linggo bago sila mag-reply. Pero ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin sila makakausap. Okay, so napakadali lang guys. So ang gawin nyo lang, pumunta lang kayo dito sa dial pad. So, dial nyo lang yung 2882. So, libre ito gamit yung TM tsaka Globe SIM nyo. So, pakinggan lang natin, no? Para malaman nyo rin kung paano natin sila i-contact.
Thank you for calling GCash. In order to help with your concern, we'll be asking for your personal information. If you agree, press 1.
So, press natin yung 1.
If you don't agree, press access to GCash services have been restored.
Tapos, press natin yung number 2. So, hintayin lang natin yung sinasabi niya.
If you need to follow up on an existing ticket, chat with Gigi in the GCash app. Visit help.gcash.com for quick answers to your questions. If you cannot log into the app or are calling for a downgraded GCash account, press 1. From GCash transactions concerns, press 2. For card concerns, press 3. For partner support, press 4. To repeat the options, press 6. For other concerns, you may visit our help center or talk to Gigi at help.gcash.com. Or you may stay on the line to speak to an agent. Please note that we are receiving more calls than usual. You may need to wait for the next available agent to be served.
So, ayun guys, maghihintay daw tayo. Wala tayong gagalawin ha.
Thank you for deciding to wait. If you are to report a fraud-related concern, press 1. For other concerns, press 2.
Ayan, para makausap natin yung live chat support. I mean live customer support ng GCash.
I didn't receive a response within the allowed time. Please try again.
Ulitin
natin. If you are
to
report a fraud-related concern, press 1. For other concerns, press 2. Please be ready with your transaction details. We will now redirect you to a customer support agent.
So may mga ads pa yan. Tapos kapag available na sila guys, magsasalita yan sila.
Tandaan, huwag i-share ang MPIN at OTP mo para G-Safe tayo. A security reminder from GCash. Regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Sinabi sa'yo, nanalo ka sa promo! Pero click the link.
So minsan guys, umaabot ng 30 seconds to 1 minute bago sila sumagot. So nakadepende rin kung maraming na kinakausap na mga customer. Ayan na.
Thank you for calling GCash support. My name is Kat. Can I have your name, please? Good afternoon.
Hello po, good afternoon po.
Tanong ko lang, kung ngayon lang ba magre-raise ng concern kay GCash or may ticket number na yan?
Ano po?
Ngayon lang po ba magre-raise ng concern kay GCash or may ticket number na?
Hello, putol-putol po yung ano po natin ma'am. Wait lang po Wait lang po. So ayun guys, sinabi ko lang na putol-putol para ano. Tinatanong niya kasi nakatatlong tawag na kasi ako. So nakikita yun sa system nila. Kaya tinatanong nung agent kung first time ko lang bang mag-raise ng ano. So di ba? Nadidetect nila. So ganun lang kasimple guys. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. At syempre kung may mga katanungan ka, mag-comment ka lang dyan sa comment section para masagot natin yan.